Welcome everyone to BTT 151, Fundamentals of Electricity. I'd like to go over your test number 1 solutions. Question 1, protons are negatively charged particles. That's true. Question number 2, copper and aluminum would be examples of materials classified as conductors. That's true. Question number 3, neutrons revolve in shells of the atom around the nucleus. That's false. Remember, neutrons are contained within the nucleus with the proton. The electrons would be the subatomic particle revolving in shells. Question 4. A coulomb is the unit of charge. That's true. Question number 5. A potentiometer would be one example of a variable resistor. That's also true. Question number 6. Silicon is the most common semiconductor material. That's true. The other common semiconductor material is germanium. Question number 7. The frequency of AC voltage in the United States is 75 hertz. That's false. Remember, the frequency of that AC sine wave is 60 hertz. Question 8. Conventional current flow states current flows from the positive terminal of the battery through the load back to the negative terminal of the battery. That's true. Question number 9. The atom is the smallest part of an element. That's true. Question 10. Valence electrons are negatively charged particles. That's true. And remember, valence electrons are the electrons we would be interested in, the furthest orbit away from the nucleus. Question 11. The watt is the unit of resistance. That's false. The watt is the unit of power, and the unit of resistance is the ohm. Question 12. A 240 volt circuit has a current flow of 20 amps. Calculate the resistance in the circuit. So again, always write down what is specified in the problem. Voltage is 240, current is 20 amps. So using Ohm's law, resistance R is equal to voltage V divided by the current I. Plug the numbers in and we get a resistance of 12 ohms. Question 13. Express 13.8 kV in base units of voltage. Remember, K is kilo and kilo is 1,000. So to express 13.8 kV in base units, multiply that value by 1,000 or simply move the decimal 3 places to the right and you will get 13,800 volts. Question 14. A 5,000 watt electric heating unit is connected to a 240 volt supply. Calculate the current flow in the circuit. Well, again, we're going to write down what was specified. Power is 5,000 watts. Voltage is 240 volts, and we're solving for current. So current is equal to power divided by voltage. We plug the numbers in, 5,000 divided by 240. We get a current of 20.83 amps. Question 15. A 12 volt battery is connected to a 6 ohm resistor in a circuit. How much current is flowing through the resistor? Voltage is 12 volts, resistance is 6 ohms. We're asked to solve for the current. So again, using Ohm's law, current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. We plug the numbers in, 12 divided by 6 gives us a current of 2 amps. Question 16. Electromagnetic induction is the most common way to produce electricity. That's true. Question 17. Static electricity refers to electrons in motion. That's false. Remember, static electricity, we talked about excess and deficiency of charge. So when we're actually talking about electrons in motion, that would be the formal definition of current flow. Question 18. Piezoelectricity is produced by pressure. That's true. Question 19. Two 12 volt batteries are connected in series. Calculate the total output voltage. So I draw two 12 volt batteries in series. Here's the schematic symbol for that. The first 12 volt battery, the second 12 volt battery. In a series connection, simply add the values of voltage together. 12 plus 12 is going to give me an output voltage of 24 volts. Question 19. Lightning would be one example of static electricity. That's true. Question number 21. The three subatomic particles contained in an atom are the proton, neutron, and the electron. Question 22. A 1500 ohm resistor has a current of 0.015 amps flowing through it. What is the voltage drop across this resistor? Resistance is 1500 ohms. Current is 0.015 amps. We're asked to solve for voltage. Ohm's law again, voltage is equal to current multiplied by resistance. So we plug the numbers in. 0.015 multiplied by 1500 gives us a voltage drop of 22.5 volts. Question 23. The amount of voltage produced by a thermocouple is determined by the types of materials used as well as the temperature difference at the junction. Question 24. One of the most common types of fixed resistors is the carbon resistor. That's true. And the last question, question 25. The amount of electrical energy needed to produce 1 horsepower is 746 watts. Thank you.